like that.
Hey beauties, I'm back with another wig review. It's Sensational 6x5 Unit 3, part of their Barelace collection. She has 6x5 lace parting, so 40% thinner lace with a larger grid for the extra transparent Barelace lace. Clean pre-plucked hairline with baby hairs. It is glueless with 24 inches of a loose wavy style.
But you cannot take love.
Get up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you love me something. Now let's say you love me something.
All you got to do is walk away and pass me by. Don't let none smile. But I just gotta say hello to you. Yeah. And all you got to do is not answer my call, but I'm trying to pull through. Keep me wondering why.
But you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, 'cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you. You're my girl. You see, I love you. But you're so baby, baby. It's okay, girl.
Run that this away from. Easy now, no need figure down. Easy now, no need figure down. Rock that run that this away from. Easy now, no need figure down. Easy now, no need.
We are sit the honey for the day, baby. Bad man, we no spray, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but you don't know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, cause
Hey beauties, now for the moment of truth. Ain't no layers in this unit, but I'm here for the convenience of the 6x5 lace closure we got going on here. It would have been better if it was a pre-cut lace. I don't too much like the pre-cuts by Sensational. It don't fit my head properly, but since we're working with 6x5, that would have been right on time. This mocha color is a very subtle color, and of course I tried the caramel blonde color before, so I had to cop this one as well. I didn't get much shedding from this unit, but grabbed a silicone spray and a wax stick just in case, because she does get a little frizzy and can be tame. So my overall rating for this unit, I would give it a 7.5. I cannot wait to see what other closure wigs they cook up in the production line. In the meantime, between time beauties, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media handles. I'll see you soon.
Fly.